Hey there, Ryker owners, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we're happy to introduce our side-mounted drink holder solution from the team over at Hypnotic Concepts. This Ryker drink holder is conveniently mounted to the side of the bike, so your water bottle is easily accessible when it's time to hydrate. Now the drink holder and bracket are black to blend in with the sinister look of the Ryker body panels, and the drink holder itself allows for angle adjustment, either straight up and down or slightly tilted back towards the rider. Now, one of the things we really like about this mounting location is that it frees up your handlebars for other mods, such as the speaker system, phone holder, and anything else you might need to mount your handlebars. Now, this installation could not be any easier, so allow me to walk you through the installation process. Start by removing the two nuts and bolts from the bottom two holes of the water bottle holder. Next, line up the bottom hole on the water bottle holder with the bottom hole on the mounting bracket and slide the longer of the two bolts in through the front of the holder and out the back of the mounting bracket, adding a washer and nut to the back, leaving it finger tight for now. Then you can decide whether or not you want the bottle holder to be mounted straight up and down or at a slight angle by inserting the other bolt through the top hole of your choice, adding the washer and nut to the back. Now tighten those down using a 4mm Allen and 10mm wrench, just enough so that they're snug, making sure not to over tighten. Next, take a T30 Torx and remove these two screws on your CVT transmission cover. Align the new cup holder bracket over those two holes. Then reinsert those screws and snug them down, making sure not to over tighten. Now turn your bars from right to left to test the clearance. And be sure to sit in your normal riding position as well, double checking fitment and clearance before you start riding. And that's all there is to it, folks. So if our side-mounted Ryker drink holder seems right for you, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab one for your Ryker. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Ryker. I'm Brandon signing out. Till next time.